we have a 1996 Albin 28 Sport fish model. This owner has had this boat for about 3 years. I think it's had 4 owners maybe. He has gone through the boat from head to toe mechanically. A lot of items which when you go to the website you'll see all the maintenance records and all this. So we're just going to do a walk around. So you see the bow thruster, windlass up top there, Ray Marine radar. It's got outrigger mount, got all your rod holders for the little radar arch there. We got to pull out of the water. We just cleaned the bottom and the prop needs to be cleaned off. Lucky us. So he put this ladder on the back. He put 4 rungs on it so you can actually get in the boat if you're in the water. Now we're gonna climb up this ladder, so just hold on. Nice cockpit. So this is the cushion that goes over the engine box, so you can sit there. Windshield wiper there, windshield wipers. These new blades. You can open up this window here, stick it out to get some air through here. You got a new Ray Marine unit. Depth gauges, all the gauges, everything works correctly for the low hours, which is kind of a red flag when you get a boat this age, but we've got all they've been through the engine very well. There's your bow thruster, bow up and down, tilt steering wheel. This comes down here to rest your feet on. We'll go in the cab and then we'll come back out. So this thing folds down. So all your controls up here: DC, AC power, shore power generator, microwave, refrigerator, stove. Got all the records. Rod holders up there. Little hanging closet. This is the head. So in the middle compartment here is going to be your generator. Next generation. And down there you can see that's your air conditioning water pump. That's your filter, water filter for the generator. There's your fuel filter. Back here, engine compartment. In his words, she runs sweet and she doesn't smoke at all. So it's got, I think, around, I guess I'll have to go back to the hours, but they've been through all the cooling systems, all the systems. We've got all the work orders. So there's improvements the new owner needs to make. He was in the process of redoing that lid there. It needs to be redone. We got a fish box back here. Also, so just go through the ad. Any questions, just give us a call, and any more information, we'll be happy to get it for you.